Thank you for tuning in. My name is
Guys,
the
Mr. B
Holiday
podcast
Gay
is here.
Queen, and of course, we're bringing you nothing but glamour, style, lifestyle, anything that has to do with light and shine. Darling, we're here for you. When you dine with Mr. B, it's honey all the way. Usithi wodwa, darling.
Mr. B podcast is here.
You are on air with Mr. B's radio podcast.
I am a student. I am listening to Mr. B radio podcast, a big B with a honey pot. Listen, it is all about honey.
With Mr. B.
Casting with Mr. B. You're sticking with me, your girl, or King.
Thatha ithuba ngibonge kuza kwethu uKing Q engilandela ke einyathelweni zakhe mina ungibiza umsisi mina ungibiza
Right
urap
after the break on podcast with Mr. B, stick with me. Siyabuya khona man.